Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic that's pivotal for anyone working in the world of machine learning and operations, or MLOps for short. We will explore AWS Cloudformation and how it can be a game changer for your MLOps workflows. If you're new here, make sure to hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to stay updated on our latest content. To start, let's talk about what AWS Cloudformation actually is. Imagine you have a blueprint for a house. This blueprint outlines every single detail about the house, its structure, the materials needed, the exact dimensions of each room, and so on. AWS Cloudformation works similarly, but in the realm of cloud infrastructure. It's a service provided by Amazon Web Services that allows you to model and set up your Amazon cloud resources so that you can spend less time managing those resources and more time focusing on your applications. AWS Cloudformation allows you to define your cloud infrastructure using templates written in JSON or YAML. These templates describe the desired state of your resources, such as EC2 instances, S3 buckets, IAM roles, and more. Cloudformation provides and configures these resources, ensuring that your infrastructure is set up exactly as specified. So why should we care about AWS Cloudformation, especially regarding MLOps? It offers automation, repeatability, and consistency, which are crucial for the efficiency and reliability of your machine learning projects. Let's break it down further. In the context of MLOps, numerous tasks need to be handled. These include setting up environments for data processing, training models, deploying these models, and monitoring their performance. Manually configuring these environments can be time-consuming and prone to errors. This is where AWS Cloudformation shines. With Cloudformation, you define your infrastructure in code. This approach is known as Infrastructure as Code, IAC. By writing templates in either JSON or YAML format, you can specify what AWS resources you need, such as EC2 instances, S3 buckets, IAM roles, and more, and Cloudformation will provision and configure these resources for you. One major advantage of using Cloudformation is that it ensures consistency across different stages of your MLOps pipeline. Whether you're setting up a development, testing, or production environment, Cloudformation templates ensure that each environment is identical to the others. This consistency helps eliminate the "it works on my machine" problem, which can be a significant source of frustration in development and deployment processes. Another benefit is automation. Cloudformation can automate the setup of your entire infrastructure. Once you've written your template, you can use it to create or update your stack of resources with a single command. This saves time and reduces the risk of human error during setup. Automation is especially valuable in MLOps, where speed and reliability are essential for iterating on models and deploying them quickly and efficiently. Now let's delve deeper into some specific use cases for AWS Cloudformation in MLOps. One common scenario is setting up a scalable and cost-effective data processing pipeline. Data processing is a critical step in the machine learning workflow as it involves cleaning, transforming, and preparing data for training. You can use Cloudformation to provision a combination of EC2 instances, S3 buckets, and Lambda functions to process and store your data. By defining your resources in a Cloudformation template, you can easily scale your pipeline up or down based on your current needs, ensuring you only pay for what you use. For instance, imagine you have a data pipeline that ingests raw data from various sources, processes it, and stores the clean data in S3 buckets. With Cloudformation, you can define this pipeline's necessary components in a template. This includes EC2 instances for running your data processing scripts, S3 buckets for storing raw and processed data, and Lambda functions for automating specific tasks. Using a Cloudformation template, you can deploy this entire pipeline with a single command, ensuring that all the components are set up correctly and consistently. Another scenario is managing machine learning environments. Training models often require powerful GPU instances, and setting these up manually can be a hassle. With Cloudformation, you can define a template that provisions the necessary instances, installs the required software, and configures the environment for training. This allows you to spin up training environments quickly and consistently, whether you're working on a single model or running multiple experiments in parallel. For example, suppose you're training a deep learning model that requires GPU instances for faster processing. With CloudFormation, you can define a template that specifies the type and number of GPU instances you need, along with the necessary software and configurations. This template can include steps to install machine learning frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, set up virtual environments, and configure network settings. Once your template is ready, you can use it to create a training environment in minutes, allowing you to focus on your experiments rather than infrastructure setup. Deployment is another area where CloudFormation excels. Once your model is trained and ready to go live, you can use CloudFormation to set up the necessary infrastructure for hosting and serving your model. This might include EC2 instances for hosting the model, an API gateway for exposing the model as an API, and CloudWatch for monitoring performance. By automating this setup, you can ensure that your deployment process is reliable and reproducible. Consider a scenario where you've trained a model to predict customer churn, and you want to deploy this model as a web service. With CloudFormation, you can define a template that sets up an EC2 instance to host the model, configures an API gateway to handle incoming requests, and sets up CloudWatch alarms to monitor the health and performance of the service. This template can also include auto-scaling configurations, ensuring your service can handle varying traffic levels without manual intervention. Using CloudFormation, you can deploy your model quickly and confidently, knowing that all components are set up correctly. Monitoring and maintenance are also critical components of MLOps, and CloudFormation can help here. In your CloudFormation templates, you can define CloudWatch alarms and dashboards to monitor the health and performance of your infrastructure and models. This proactive monitoring allows you to catch issues early and maintain the performance and reliability of your deployed models. For example, you can create CloudWatch alarms to monitor CPU and memory usage of your EC2 instances, response times of your API endpoints, and error rates of your machine learning service. These alarms can be defined in your CloudFormation template, ensuring that they are set up consistently across all environments. Additionally, you can create CloudWatch dashboards to visualize the performance metrics of your infrastructure and models, providing you with real-time insights into the health of your system. Now, you might be wondering if AWS Cloudformation can generate templates from an already deployed infrastructure. The answer is yes. AWS Cloudformation does have a feature called drift detection that can help you with this. Drift detection allows you to check whether the actual state of your stack's resources differs from the expected state as defined in your CloudFormation template. This can be useful for identifying and correcting any manual changes that might have been made to your infrastructure. Additionally, you can use the AWS Management Console to generate a CloudFormation template from existing resources. This is done through the Create Template from Your Resources option, which lets you select existing AWS resources and generate a CloudFormation template representing those resources. This feature can save you time and effort when migrating existing infrastructure to a CloudFormation managed setup or when creating a backup of your infrastructure configuration. In conclusion, AWS CloudFormation offers a powerful and flexible way to manage your cloud infrastructure for MLOps. By leveraging infrastructure as code, you can ensure consistency, automate setup and deployment, and scale your operations efficiently. Whether you're just starting with MLOps or looking to streamline your existing processes, CloudFormation can provide the tools you need to succeed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.